question is, when making up a business succession plan, should I have more than one successor? Well, I will begin answering that question by saying yes, but you need to prioritize the order in which a person would serve. Let me give you an analogy. Say you are going to give a power of attorney to a loved one or a trusted friend. What happens if Billy Bob can't serve? Then, when you draw up that statutory power of attorney, you should also name an alternate, just a successor, just in case something comes up wherein Billy is either unwilling or unable to serve. So, from a standpoint of who is going to be able to pick up the reins, you need to think about multiple persons. Also, you always need to have a potential list of people who can take over and run the company. Even if you don't plan on hiring a person, maybe you need to collect resumes from time to time to see what the talent pool is and cultivate a database so that if something unexpected happens, you're not caught in the lurch and scrambling backwards to try to identify key personnel and key employees to keep the business running. In like manner, if you are thinking about a family, if you're engaged in a family owned business, you need to look at who's in the family. Who is the best person suited to take over? And the person that you think is well suited, do they have the desire and interest to follow in your footsteps? So, all of these are evaluations and assessments and conversations that need to be had so that you can have a successful business succession plan. Not one that is wrought with what you desire, but what could possibly happen because you've had the necessary conversations, you've identified key people, and you see whether or not their interests are in alignment with what you want to do in terms of the vision for the company. And then you can prioritize those successors such that you know their strengths and you have a plan A, B, C, or D so that the ultimate goal is for the company to continue to run. The company that you built and the one that you want to make your legacy can continue to be profitable in your retirement or if you should leave Earth. Thank you so much. Why?